Hi guys, here we are at the Hotel Esplanade in Zagreb, and I wanted to give you a little room tour. This is a superior room with king bed. Come take a look around with us. So here we are in room 515. And please ignore all our bags in the corner over here. But we have here a king bed room. They do have room service, and this is a QR code with the menu, so you are able to order room service at this hotel. Nice big king bed. And this is a historic property and has really cool designs outside. Actually, here's the outside of the hotel. And you'll see touches of that throughout the hotel, like nods to the train station that are next door because there were a lot of train travelers coming through here. Desk if you need, with some goodies inside. Phone, mirror. Little seating area for you. And then under the TV over here, we have the mini bar with some snacks and the price list. So some red wine, white wine, beers, champagne, juices, waters, etc. This is cool. TV can turn towards you if you want to watch while you're in bed. And then back over here, let me show you the closet space. And you do get 2 robes. Down here is actually a pants press if you need it. Nice size closet to hang your stuff. And then on this other side, we have the safe, slippers, complimentary. There's also a laundry service. And down here, if you put your shoes in here, you'll actually get complimentary shoe shine. So now let's take a look in the bathroom over here. So over here we have a toilet with a phone. Whoever's making phone calls on the toilet. And we have here separate shower and bath, which is always nice. And then through this side over here, you can kind of see some of the toiletries, which are all La Satan brand. You do have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, soap, the usual. So as I mentioned, this was a historic hotel. It was built in 1925, and it was a lot of Orient Express passengers who stopped here, one direction or the other. So that's why you get all these nods to the old trains and antiques and pictures all around, which is kind of cool. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little video of our room here. If you have any questions, please be sure to comment below. And I'm happy to help wherever I can. Thanks. Bye-bye.